i.e. finance. You don't need a better job. You need a better mindset. Are you still waiting for that perfect job to fix your finances? Here's a hard truth. It's not your paycheck holding you back. It's your perspective. Because no salary can save someone stuck in a scarcity mindset. So what mindset shifts can turn your current income into a tool for wealth, even without a raise? Let's unpack the mental game of money. But before we begin, give this video a like and subscribe because transformation doesn't start with a job, it starts in your mind. Number 10. What if the problem isn't your job, but your mindset? Have you ever blamed a boss, a task, or a paycheck for holding you back? Imagine two colleagues, same role, same salary. One wakes up excited. The other dreads Mondays. The difference? Not the job. It's the mindset. According to i.e. Finance, the secret power isn't in the job. It's in your mind. It's about thriving from within, not just surviving in a position. It's about choosing to grow, adapt, and take charge of your path instead of waiting for change to come to you. A better mindset doesn't come overnight, but one shift at a time. It's built through awareness, curiosity, and courage. It's saying, I'll grow where I'm planted, instead of I need to escape. Your job might feel limiting, but your thoughts are either your wings or your cage. And the best part? You're in full control of both. Number 9. Why chasing job titles won't save you. Ever thought, if I just get a promotion, everything will fall into place? The truth is harsh. That promotion often just brings more stress, longer hours, and similar challenges. The finance world is shifting fast. Outsourcing, part-time gigs, and AI washing over industries mean titles don't guarantee stability or growth. i.e. Finance emphasizes that when you rely solely on upward job movement, you're dancing to someone else's tune. What matters now is adaptability, lifelong learning, and career ownership. In a world where skills become obsolete fast, mindset is the real currency. Many people sit in higher chairs, but feel emptier than ever. It's not about reaching the top, it's about what you carry with you. Fulfillment comes when your inner growth outpaces your job label. Stop sprinting for titles, start sprinting for transformation. That's what lasts when the titles fade. Number 8. What's a growth mindset, really? Could you learn a fresh skill every single month just because you believe you can? A growth mindset isn't fluffy self-help hype. It's a real scientific view backed by psychology. It's the belief that your abilities and intelligence can develop through effort and learning. i.e. Finance teaches that career success now boils down to being flexible, staying curious, and being open to change at every turn. Not waiting for permission and not shying away from challenges. That's the mindset of the future. A growth mindset is the quiet voice that says yet when you think, I can't do this. It invites progress over perfection. It makes failing feel like feedback, not failure. It opens doors that self-doubt we've kept shut. Once you adopt it, every day becomes an opportunity, not a task. Number 7. Feeling stuck. Ask this one question. What's my role actually worth? And skills, ideas, and impact? Let's get real. Surveys show that only a small percentage of people feel truly engaged at work. Many treat their jobs like paycheck machines, feeling stuck, bored, even burnt out. Why? Because they ask the wrong question. How do I get out? Instead of how do I grow where I am? i.e. Finance suggests a powerful pivot. Measure your worth by what you bring to the table. Are you staying relevant? Are you creating results? Are you learning? That's more powerful than salary or title. Sometimes you don't need to switch the job. You need to switch your lens. Look deeper. The same role that feels stale can become fertile again with new goals, new learning, or new purpose. Shift your internal compass, and the map around you will change too. Number 6. Own your career, or is it owning you? Are you traveling a path, or designing it? Decades ago, people joined companies and grew with them. Today, that path is gone. Job security is rare. i.e. Finance lays this out. Your career isn't a train, it's a sailboat. It moves in the direction you steer. That means taking active steps, share achievements, take on new projects, build relationships with mentors, even negotiate for growth. When you steer your career with intention, opportunities begin to line your path. You can't wait to be discovered. You must be deliberate in shaping who you become. Treat your career like a startup, vision, strategy, hustle. When you stop waiting and start steering, you stop surviving and start leading. One bold decision today can realign your entire future. Number 5. Is your skill set built for today or for the future? Are your skills still relevant or already outdated? In finance and many industries, yesterday's skills don't cut it. Skills tied to blockchain, machine learning, and remote collaboration aren't extras. They're central. i.e. Finance focuses heavily on building future-ready capabilities, digital fluency, strategic thinking, and adaptability. If you're counting on last year's knowledge to feed tomorrow's needs, you're one step behind. Think of your skills like currency. The more adaptable they are, the more valuable you become. Every hour spent learning is a deposit into your career's bank account. Don't just maintain your skills, upgrade them. You're not a machine to preserve, you're a human to evolve. Number 4. What if investing in yourself meant everything? Could a few minutes of daily learning unlock your next big break? Investors back startups with big plans and bold dreams. Similarly, investing in yourself through learning, mentorship, reflection is the only kind of investment with guaranteed ROI. IE Finance bases its teachings on this concept. Career growth isn't linear, it's iterative and intentional. It assumes that time spent upskilling isn't time away from your job, it is your job. Even 15 minutes a day compounds. You're either growing or you're shrinking. There's no standing still in today's world. Every article you read, course you complete, or mentor you listen to add layers to your future self. Build you because no one else can do that for you. Number 3. Are your own thoughts your biggest barriers? Are your worst critics living inside your head? The most powerful stopper in your life isn't coworkers, bosses, or systems. It's often your own thoughts. Doubts like, I'm not ready, or that's too big for me, will hold you back every time. IE Finance teaches how mindset training from negative self-talk works. Reframe it. Talk to yourself like a coach, not a critic. Shift I can't learn that to I'll figure it out. Thoughts become beliefs. Beliefs become behaviors, and behaviors shape destiny. Train your mind like a muscle. Challenge it. Strengthen it. Forgive it, because when your internal world aligns with confidence, your external world starts catching up. Number 2. Want to stand out in a sea of applicants? What makes employers choose you, skills, or your mindset? Hiring managers don't just hire qualifications, they hire potential. They want people who will learn fast, innovate, and persevere. That means adaptability, resilience, empathy, and vision. IE Finance teaches that these qualities, mindset traits, are more valuable than certifications. They call it the innovation mindset or the growth mindset. It means saying, I'm ready for challenge. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to lead. Your mindset is your personal brand. It shows up before you speak. Employers feel it in your confidence, your problem-solving style, your calm under pressure. Credentials open the door, but your mindset is what gets you invited to stay. Number 1. Ready for the revolution? Mindset is your fuel. What if the job you dream of lives inside your mind right now? Here's your final, undeniable truth. You don't need a better job, you need a better mindset. That's the revolution taught by IE Finance. When you begin thinking like a builder, not a job seeker, you change everything. Ask, am I staying curious? Can I learn something new today? Am I shaping who I want to become? Am I ready to navigate change? Mindset is the silent engine behind every success story. It's what gets people through rejection, boredom, and even burnout. Fuel that engine every day. Because when mindset is your foundation, no matter where you land, you'll rise. So, what if the upgrade you've been waiting for was never your job, but your thinking? Which mindset shift hit you the hardest? Share it in the comments. We're here to grow together. And if this video helped you see money through a new lens, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep financial truths that change everything from the inside out.